Brendan, let me stay with you. And this is last question for all of you. Personally, what are you most excited about heading into next year? And Brendan, I'll let you start it off.
Definitely the clean show. Sign up, go. The education that happens there is unbelievable. Watching our world of laundry, we're in the coin laundry end. You go to the clean show, you see industrial laundry, that route end of it. You see dry cleaning, so much availability of information there. And I'm excited to see what synergies come up. I'm always excited to see how people start in laundry and what they grow it to. What else do they offer? It was such a foreign concept years ago as you had a laundromat next to a car wash, for example. I think that is something that we'll start to see more and more of as we talk about recycling. Car washes recycle water. Can that happen in a laundromat? People have tried it in the past. There's so many of these different, ideas out there. I'm excited to see what comes to fruition in 25.
Right, right. It's exciting. Mark, how about you? What are you most excited about?
Clean show's up there on the list. Very excited for clean show. It's been a while. Within kind of my four walls, we have a bunch of new people at our company and new franchisees coming on board that I'm very excited to kind of get off the ground and get working with. From a more tactical, like product standpoint, we've been putting a bunch of time and effort into kind of gamifying route density. Route density on the delivery side is so important to the profitability of the business. And can we kind of pass some of those discounts through to customers if we can get a neighborhood to all order on the same day, right? So kind of an increasing discount as orders in the neighborhood increase has been a really fun project. On our product side, it's been a long time since we really tried to get deeper into customers' closets, which is a term a lot of people use. It's kind of wash and fold. Dry cleaning was a second option. We do okay with the delicates process and a delicates bag, but that's kind of where it stopped. And we're working on kind of rolling out some new products that extend beyond that. I'm going to keep the products close to my chest, but I haven't launched a new cleaning service in years now, and I think we're going to do it in 25. So I'm super excited that the deeper you can get into your customers' closets and the more laundry share you can get of their laundry routine is a win. And we're gonna hope to roll some fun products out.
All right, very good. And Yvette, I started with you, and I'm going to give you the last word. What are you most excited about heading into 2025?
Well, I heard clean 2 times, and I'm repeating the third time. I'm excited about clean.
Clean
That's
sweep.
been a while. Yeah, clean sweep with clean. I think that'll be fun. It's always exciting to get together with laundromat owners and talk shop and to go visit laundromats in Orlando. That's going to be fun. Fun thing to do. And I am excited about AI. And I think that we are so early in this technology that I get excited thinking about what's next and what that's going to mean for our industry and for the world, in general. So I don't know what that's going to look like, but to be able to continue to increase our operations or increase our efficiencies and to improve our operations, particularly by using AI, I'm super excited about that.